what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake.
Hey guys, good morning, welcome back to my channel. So this is yesterday's final look. I was doing knotless braids and it's my first time doing them, and I'm so in love with how they turned out. Anyways, it's been raining all morning, it's a bit chilly. I just woke up and this is what I'm wearing. Guys, for the longest time I've been looking for this onesie and I came across it last week, and I think it just came handy because CG why it just started raining this particular week. Anyways, I've been also doing intermittent fasting for the longest time, I think 2 months now. Yeah, and I've lost a couple of kgs, like 3. When I started I was at 64, and right now I'm at 61. So I'm gonna be taking you through an ideal day of me doing the intermittent fasting. Anyways, stick around, and as usual, let's have fun.
Winter's here, the snow is falling on our car as we drive for miles to that little town called home. Tinsel hangs from every corner of the house, and Christmas lights shine bright through the cold evening fog. And I hear sleigh bells, the church choir sings along. I feel my heart melt when you walk through those doors for Christmas. You're all I want. All I wanted was
Hey guys, so I just had breakfast, shower, and a quick change of outfit. So I normally have my first meal at around 11, and then I chill through the day up until 5 or 6. That is when I'll have my next meal. So basically I do like 2 meals a day, and then in between I drink water unless I'm like feeling so hungry. That is when I'll do a little bit of snacks. So if you're starting off, it won't be a walk in the park, so you can easily adjust with a little bit of snacks in between, but don't overdo it, because also sugar ain't so good when you're doing the intermittent fasting. So yeah, I think that is it. So I just defrosted the fridge. I want to quickly clean it because it's in a mess. Anyways, I'll see you guys then.
I hear sleigh bells. All I wanted was you. show. I let you in